Aquatic animals that live far from others, often referred to as solitary or reclusive species, inhabit environments where isolation is advantageous for survival. These animals typically adapt to remote habitats such as deep oceans, Arctic waters, or isolated freshwater bodies. Here are some examples and detailed explanations of their habitats and characteristics. Habitat: deep oceans, typically 300 to 1,000 meters below the surface. Why solitary? The vastness of the deep sea and the scarcity of prey make solitary living efficient. These creatures rely on stealth to ambush prey and avoid predators like sperm whales. Facts: they can grow up to 12 to 14 meters long, possess the largest eyes in the animal kingdom, aiding in low-light environments, rarely seen alive. Most knowledge comes from carcasses or deep-sea expeditions.
Habitat: cold, deep waters of the North Atlantic and Arctic Oceans, often at depths of 1,200 meters or more. Why solitary? They are slow-moving and have a low metabolic rate, suited for the sparse prey available in cold, deep waters. Facts: among the longest living vertebrates, with lifespans over 400 years. Predominantly scavengers, feeding on dead marine animals. Adapted to extreme cold with specialized enzymes for slow digestion.
The anglerfish, often found in deep-sea regions, typically resides between 200 and 2,000 meters below the surface. The scarcity of resources in the deep ocean necessitates an opportunistic, solitary lifestyle. Females have bioluminescent lures on their heads to attract prey. Males, on the other hand, are much smaller and parasitic, permanently attaching to females for reproduction. The bioluminescence is produced by symbiotic bacteria. The goblin shark inhabits deep waters off continental slopes, typically between 100 and 1,300 meters deep. The limited prey in the deep ocean supports solitary predation strategies. Known as a living fossil, it has remained relatively unchanged for millions of years. Equipped with protrusible jaws to snatch prey, it is often found near the seabed, where it ambushes fish and crustaceans. The narwhal, during non-mating seasons, can be found in Arctic waters, often under ice-covered regions. To reduce competition for food in nutrient-sparse areas, they remain solitary or in small pods. Known for their long spiral tusk, which is a modified tooth, narwhals dive up to 1,500 meters to feed on fish and squid. They are highly sensitive to environmental changes due to their reliance on stable Arctic ice. Low resource availability. Many of these habitats are nutrient-poor, requiring animals to spread out to find sufficient food. Adaptations to isolation. Specialized feeding strategies, such as ambush predation or scavenging, reduce competition. Environmental challenges. Extreme cold, high pressure, and darkness characterize these habitats, necessitating unique physiological traits like bioluminescence or slow metabolism. These animals exemplify how life can adapt to isolation and thrive in some of the most challenging environments on Earth.